Ounces of water.
Good Tuesday morning. It is Tuesday, March 24th, and I am sending you this video because I'm going to read to you today lesson 4, and that's your assignment for today. It's in the week 2 packet under day 2. The front of week 2 packet looks like this that's in your purple folder. It has the story about Squanto and the Pilgrims in the front. So if you'll just follow along with me in this YouTube video, you can pause the video if you need to answer a question. You can rewind if you want to hear something again. That's why I'm sending this to you, so that you can complete your work and you can do it, excuse me, independently. So I'm going to start right here. Lesson 4. If you don't have your packet with you now, go ahead and push pause. Go get your packet and then you can come back. Describing connections between scientific ideas. Learning target for today is to describe how ideas in science texts are connected and how they will help you understand how things work and why things change. Read. When you read about science topics, look for connections that show how ideas or thoughts fit together. Connections may show how or why one thing changes into something else. Understanding these connections will help you describe or tell how things change or work and why things happen. Look at the pictures. What is happening in the pictures? Think about what is happening. Think about what is happening and how it's connected. Look at the pictures that show the girl and the boy working together in the garden. Complete the chart by describing what happens in the garden. Think about how the events are connected. First, the girl and boy plant seeds in the garden. Next, please press pause and write what is happening next in the picture in the garden. Last, please press pause and write what is happening last in the garden. Talk. Using details from the pictures and your chart, talk to your partner or your parent about what happened in the garden. How are the events connected? Press pause to talk to your parent now. Jumping Joeys by Julian Green. What is the best known animal in Australia? It's the kangaroo. Kangaroos are large animals with powerful back legs, but they are less than 1 inch long when they are born. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. The joey climbs into its mother's pouch. There, the joey feeds and stays warm. The joey stays in the pouch for 7 to 10 months. It grows much bigger. Then, the joey is ready to come out of its mother's pouch. When the joey is ready to come out, its mother loosens her pouch. The joey falls out. At first, it stays out for just a few minutes. Then it goes back in the pouch. Every time it comes out, it follows its mother and learns to find food. Soon, it can take care of itself. When the joey leaves the pouch for good, it is not an adult yet. It will grow taller and heavier. The kangaroo can be more than 6 feet tall and weigh 190 pounds. Close reading habits. Underline details that show how a joey grows and changes. Think about how these are connected. Please press pause and underline details that show how a joey grows and changes. Explore. How does each part of a joey's growth connect to the next? Think. Use details from paragraph 2, 3, and 4 in the article about joeys to fill in this chart. First, when a blank is born, it climbs into its mother's blank, where it blanks and stays warm. It lives there for blank months. Please press pause. Look back in the second paragraph to fill in the details that are missing for first. Then go back to paragraph 3 to fill in what happens next. Then go to paragraph 4 to fill in what happens finally. Please press pause and complete this section now. Talk. Take turns talking to your parent about what changes a joey must go through before it can live on its own. Write. Short response. On page 58, you will write your answer, which is a couple of pages over, where it says Jumping Joeys on page 58. Tell why each part of a joey's growth is important. Use details from the article in your answer. Write your answer on page 58. Hint: what does the joey do at each part of its growth? So you will start your answer by restating the question. A joey's growth is important because, and then tell about the first part of the growth, then tell about the second part of the growth, and then turn to talk about the third part of a joey's growth in your short answer question. Emperor Penguins by Joey Pitkin. Emperor penguins live in icy Antarctica. Like all animals, the penguins change as they grow. The changes are called a life cycle. What is a life cycle of a penguin? First, a female lays an egg. Then she leaves to hunt for food. The male penguin takes care of the egg. He holds the egg on top of his feet to keep it warm. He stands holding the egg for 2 months. Then the mother returns. She takes the egg, and the father goes to eat. Finally, the chick, or baby bird, hatches. Both parents care for the chick. Soon, the chick grows new feathers. Now the chick is a fledgling, or a young penguin. At 5 or 6 years old, the penguin becomes an adult, or fully grown. An adult can start its own family. Close reader habits. How does a penguin change after it hatches? Underline words and phrases that help you understand how a chick becomes an adult penguin. Please pause the video and go ahead and underline words and phrases that help you understand how a chick becomes an adult. Think. Why does the female penguin leave her egg? A. So the egg can begin to hatch. B. So she can hunt for food in the sea. C. Because the male rolls the egg away. D. Because the egg does not need much care. Number 2. Why does the male penguin stand for 2 months without eating or hunting? A. When he cares for the egg, he doesn't feel hungry. B. He is too far from the sea to hunt. C. The female will bring him food when she returns. Or D. If he moved to hunt, the egg would get cold or break. Number 3. What do the words egg, fledgling, and adult in dark print help you understand? Please write your answer here. Number 4, talk. What happens when the egg hatches? Use details from the text in your answer. Write. Short response. Describe how the penguin chick grows and changes after it hatches. Use the words chick, fledgling, and adult in your answer. You will write this answer on page 59. Hint: to find the details you need, look for the words finally, the chick or baby bird hatches. So you'll go back and look for this in the passage. And this is where you will write your short response on page 59. Right here. So you'll pause this video and look back in the emperor penguins so that you can describe how the penguin chick grows and changes after it hatches. And you'll use the words chick, fledgling, and adult. Don't forget, you can begin with first, next, and last to show that you are sequencing. And down here at the bottom is where you will check your work. Did you read the question carefully? Can you say the question in your own words? Did you use proof from the text in your answer? Are your ideas in a good, clear order? Did you answer in full sentences? And did you check your spelling, capital letters, and periods? After you complete this short response, that concludes your work for reading for today. Thank you all and have an awesome Monday. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Have an awesome Tuesday. I'll send you another video tomorrow for your next lesson. Bye.